Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you want to know how I made this delicious smoothie, just stick with me. For this recipe we're using strawberries and we're also using red kiwi for the smoothie. And we'll just get everything prepped. We got the strawberries cut and the red kiwi is cut. I will also adding mangoes. This is a tropical smoothie for anti-aging. So we're using our smoothie blender. We've added our strawberries. Now we also added the mango. We added the red kiwi, and then we're also adding chia seeds to this recipe. We put those in the cup and we blend. And then we add everything that we need to add and blend everything. After it has been blended, you see the mixture of what we have. Look at that. It's not only delicious, but it's healthy. For this, we added beet juice to it as well. That's why it's red. So we now mix everything together, the beet juice and the tropical smoothie, to get the mixture that we have. And here we have it, a tropical delicious